So today we're going to be doing the Skiptech HS2000 hand portable. So we had a repair, if you saw the video, and we're unable to repair it because of ingress of moisture. It's got in the VCO can, and there were times we'd get it to transmit, but clearly things have gone out of value out in there, so it's not really economical to do that, and it won't be reliable if we did do it. So I've got two of these. That's my Mr. Nicotine one, and Mr. Chippie has gone out with the other one, which had been modified to have an external mic, but I've demodified it and we should be back to things working normally. We 2.93 watts and really decent receive. I think we've got 0.4 microvolts on one, 0.3 on another, you know, so they're all right on receive. Short and rubber duck aerial, so whether or not it gets to scratchy corner or beyond scratchy corner, you know, and it is anybody's guess. So we'll see. He's going to start off from the top of the hill, so he's going to go 1.5 miles approximately, 1.75 miles, and he'll be starting from there. His second point will then be scratchy corner, and if it still works at scratchy corner, he'll move on to Wilsford level crossing. So it's a difficult terrain test. One day we will go out with the van and we'll do some good terrain tests.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, position, top of hill.
Tango 21, roger on that. Now it won't take him long to get out of the car because there's no aerial to pull up with it being a rubber duck. Let's turn his squelch down. Make sure the RF gain's up. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Skiptech HS2000FM hand portable. Do you copy? Right, can you go again? It wasn't enough for the squelch over. Roger on that. Can you just talk closely to it for my benefit for a moment? Yeah, receiving, that's fine. Roger, you do. That's a better signal, so that might be high power. Roger on that, okay. See you at scratchy corner. Now,
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Skiptech HS2000FM hand portable. Do you copy?
Yep, Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Right, can you go again? It wasn't enough for the squelch over.
Yeah, I'm receiving you loud and clear.
Roger on that. Can you just talk closely to it for my benefit for a moment?
Yep, Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, are you receiving?
Yeah, receiving, that's fine.
I'll just knock it onto low power and see if you still get me.
Roger, you do.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, are you receiving?
That's a better signal, so that might be high power.
Oh right, well that's in the out position, so you were wrong.
Roger on that, okay. See you at scratchy corner.
Yep, roger that.
now, despite the deviation being right, that sounds quiet. You know, you'd really have to have the volume up. So not good.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now in position, scratchy corner.
Roger on that, got you at scratchy corner. So we'll just give him 10 seconds. Better turn the volume up with it being a bit of a quiet radio. I better turn the squelch down and let's see whether we can get him. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Skiptech HS2000FM radio. Do you copy? Over. Right, I was not readable, less than radio 1. Can you just switch the other power level just in case we've got it wrong over? Roger, and speak really closely into it, please, because I think I can just about copy you now.
Yeah, Roger. I think we're on high power now, but I will keep you when
Right, I got you. You said you're on high power. So can you move over to Wilsford Level Crossing, please, over? Yeah, I can't read you unless you speak really closely on that one, over. Got the roger that, thank you.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Skiptech HS2000FM radio. Do you copy? Over.
Tango 21, I'm receiving you loud and clear.
Right, I was not readable with less than radio 1. Can you just switch the power level just in case we've got it wrong, over?
Yeah, I'm still walking towards the junction anyway, so you might get me a bit better now.
Roger, and speak really closely into it, please, because I think I can just about copy you now.
Yeah, Roger, I think we're on high power now, but I will switch to the other one and see if you can hear me.
Right, I got you. You said you're on high power. So can you move over to Wilford Level Crossing, please, over?
I'll just try on what I think's low power. You're still receiving me? Yep, Roger, I'll move over to Wilsford Level Crossing, over.
Yeah, I can't read you unless you speak really closely on that one, over.
Roger that.
Got the roger that, thank you.
The difficulty is he's having to hold this thing at arm's length for the sake of the video, but it's clearly not designed to be used at arm's length, which we all know. So that doesn't help. But I am surprised we've got him at Scratchy Corner. He's on that rubber duck aerial. So let's see what he's like at Wilsford Level Crossing. I don't think he's going to be going any further, and that will put it to approximately 3 miles on the wrong side of a hill.
And 21 Mr. Chippie in position at Wilford Level Crossing, whereby.
Roger, got you at Wilsford Level Crossing. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Skiptech HS2000FM and portable. Do you copy? Tango 21, just go again. I might have got a bit of something. Okay, I know you're there. So that's where the test ends. So yeah, that's not really very readable, over. Okay, return to the petrol station. We'll do the other test.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Skiptech HS2000FM and portable. Do you copy?
Tango 21, I'm receiving you loud and clear.
Tango 21, just go again. I might have got a bit of something.
Yep, I say Tango 21, are you receiving me?
Okay, I know you're there, so that's where the test ends. So, yeah, that's not really very readable, over.
Roger that.
So it's somewhere between that 3 mile point and that.
21 Mr. Chippie. Yeah, so I'll make my way back to the garage now. We'll do the on the air test.
Thank you, that's excellent. Tango 21. Right, so he was okay at Scratchy Corner just if he spoke closely. So that's 2 miles. He wasn't alright at 3 miles. So you could say 2.5 miles, but I say he's the wrong side of a hill. this is a difficult terrain test. So who knows, on a long range test where we've got easy terrain, it might do even something like 7 or that kind of mileage. But it's the area which is restricting, I'm absolutely sure. I'm going to do a test now. This will be the on-the-air test. This will be published. This one's going to be published first, and the other one will be published second. So you're going to see these reverse order. I think we'll see what happens. So thank you for watching the field test for the Skiptech HS2000FM using the rubber duck aerial as supplied.